Hey folks, this is Tom Forsyth, and I'm glad you came to watch section 4 from my 1995 video shot at the Beverly Hills Studios. And section 4 is a pretty interesting one with a lot of kicks. And if you're a subscriber, you're going to notice some definite differences, both in some of the specific moves and in the way that I perform the moves. But I'm sure you're going to see that the principles and the effect remain the same. Thanks for watching this, and see you at taichiclass.org.
Section 4, Performance. Your movements have the weight of a mountain and the smoothness of a fish swimming in the ocean. Move with harmony by visualizing linkages between your hands and your feet, between your elbows and your knees, and between your shoulders and your hips. These linkages are the first step toward harmonizing your upper and your lower body. They are the external expression of the harmony of body, mind, and spirit that is the ultimate goal of Tai Chi Chuan of the Sun style. Your hands and arms should join in this linkage. Your hands brush along each other, the fingers of one hand lightly stroking the hairs of the other. The arms and hands move across each other with the energy of birds flying in tight formation, kept apart only by an energized cushion of air. Your eyes follow the direction of your movement. This is a natural aspect of martial quality, stemming from the need to see your opponent. At an advanced stage, you should also realize internal harmonies. Your mind harmonizes with your consciousness harmonizes with your chi or energy, and your chi harmonizes with force.